So guys, this is the update sa project headers. So both sides are pitted. So it's full weld na. Magpo-full weld na ako. And the same time guys, both of these headers comes out from the top with no issue. So slips on. It barely clears the steering rod here. Pero may clearance ako. And there, it's fitted. So, magpo-full weld na ako nito. And then I'll fix the collector. And let's see the clearance underneath. It's really bright right now. So, I don't know if you guys see the clearance. Yan na yung clearance ko dito sa may sa left bank. From the inside. So, clear. Wala naman issue kasi hindi ko naman pinadaan yung yung pipe sa ilalim. So, ayan. No clearance. Really close though here pero may clearance pa rin. So, down pipe dito. Then, here's the other side. And clearances. Here's the starter. This is the big starter. So, nilagyan ko siya ng big starter. Check clearances. So, if I put a high torque or a small starter, mas lalong walang issues. Nilagay ko lang yung big starter. So, I got reference for more clearance. So, this is all the clearance I got on the passenger side. So, you see the clearance from the chassis. So, clear to go na. Full weld na. Ayusin ko na tong collector, putok collectors. Okay.